Hey, Dane here. Yeah, welcome to my blog. And this is around the house. Today, it's time to change out the household filters. It is my records. This is February 18, 2018. And that consists of 6 filters for me. This is the first one. It's considered a mudroom. And it is a 14 by 1. And I just lay it over the top of the intake register. Since we live out here in the country, we have a lot of dust. So, and that's, I changed the last one in October. So, you can see the dust collection on that one. Is actually a register that's right over the top of the filtrate or heating system. As you can see, 3 to 3 months, how bad this pre-filter gets. I just don't understand when I keep filter in here. I think so. And there's that.
But it says it would not be
filter there.
It says it would not be reliable
So it catches the
to use.
air that's through there.
I thought it would come out.
Another pre-filter in there.
All the thermometer did was just contain the temperature to tell you what it was.
Okay.
Now the good news is I can adjust my temperature.
I don't know why that's not sitting in there right. Alright, so there's this one here. Nice and flat, so it sucks 90% of the air and dust coming through here. Alright, so there's this one here. Nice and flat, so it sucks 90% of the air and dust coming through here. Of course, the vacuuming the pre-filter takes care of the pre-dust coming in here. Of course, that you got to vacuum it, so takes care of that. So that's 2 down. Okay, on to the
Find out why
saw.
my drawers are loud on my fridge, like they're not supposed to be, and they've never ever addressed it with me, even though I've called them about it.
Yeah, I know. Okay. I don't know if I even need that other 120 down into the solar. Because that 120 was part of using the what's that one there? Been used quite heavily. This is set up for the my backup forced air system, and I'm not sure, because with that being said, forced it down. This has been sucking up since we got it. Since I spun it around. If that's even needed. But I can deal with that. Alright, coming around here, I have the main air filters for the furnace over here. There, light over here. Alright, so I finally figured that 20 by 30 and 20 by 30s, actually at 20 by 30 I had to cut down because I needed 16 by 20s. So I guess this will be actually the first time that I'll actually use the combination that I figured out between the two 16 30 by 1 and the 20 by 30 by 1. I think I wanted to use up that other filter. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Originally I had these blue ones in here and they just do not do what I want it to do. So I'm going to go ahead and try that, see what happens. Alright, made that one big piece, but of course you can see I had to cut the top off so it would fit. Done a good job. Alright. Go ahead and get the new one put in there. Back up again. Yeah, she shuts down. It'll shut down when it doesn't get enough airflow. And I'll have a red light indication down here. It'll also shut down when it doesn't get enough water, or water backs up, such as it's not going out the outlet outside and freezes. I've never had that problem. I'm surprised. Even down in the negative numbers. Bottom one, which is now a 20 by 30. Now I'm going to try the new one, which is going to be the other combination of 16. 16 by 30. Wire in my way. A couple months ago I went ahead and sprayed the whole system out. guess I could actually tape them together. Behind too. Pay attention. I'm gonna tape. Got duct tape or something. I've got duct tape here. Someplace. Tape them together. Glue them together, slide them together, and then cut down on it. Just making it through between the center here. Thought I had some duct tape down here. Where's the duct tape? Guess I don't. Oh. Duct tape. Duct tape disappeared. Darn it.